Straight in, getting a couple of wee test fits done on the Brembos. These came from an RS225. You can get the 250 ones as well, but make sure you know which ones they are because the brake pads are different, as I found out. We're using hub centric 50mm spacers on standard alloys. We thought it was going to be a wee snug fit, but again, just making sure that we've got everything dialed in before we button it all up. There's going to be plenty clearance on the studs. And plenty clearance on the calipers. So yeah, they're looking good. Really important though to make sure that you do all these kind of tests now, because as we found out that we needed to put the washers in a slightly different place, just to make sure they were sitting central to the rest of the disc. These discs are off Nissan 350. And they are widely available and much more accessible to get than some of the more regal brake manufacturers. Now what I did here, it's not the greatest video, there's going to be a lot of shaking, is just to make sure that I was getting a good tight finish on the hubs there. I gave all these wheels just to be clean up in the centre there, and this just allows to give a nice tight fitting, because you know, if you can't get these flushed to the hubs, then you can actually end up causing yourself a bit of a wobble. Now I know I've got a buckled alloy somewhere along the line, but I just want to dial this in and just make sure it's not this at the same time. Just good practice as well, and you can see that that's years of grind. I'm just using the air assist with the kind of brush there, and again, not very stinky, but very dusty, so make sure you're wearing a mask and some glasses. Because I'm pretty sure you don't want to be breathing in all that nasty dust. And here you can see the Brembos, just a quick test fit. This is kind of where we worked out that we need to put a couple of washers in at the side. Hub centric 15mm on the front. Old caliper, seen better days. Might keep it in the back and do a wee refurbishment on a lazy day, but not too worried about that. And here we have a 421 japspeed and a use cat delete japspeed single exit back box. Looking forward to hearing how that sounds. What?